In this clip, I'm going to show you how to do the woodturner's waltz. It's called the woodturner's waltz because when you're turning wood, when you're turning a bowl blank, you don't just use the tool or your hands. You want to use your whole body. And if you use your whole body to move with the tool, you'll find that your turning experience is going to be much more satisfying and a more pleasurable experience. Let me show you what I mean. My right hand is down here on the end of the tool rest, and my hand is resting on my right hip. My left hand will be up here where the tool cutting tip is, and it's going to be resting just on the tool rest. And when I turn, or when I'm cutting the wood, I'm going to use my whole body as I'm moving back and forth, just kind of like shifting your weight from your left foot to your right foot.